Gail Viney is here from the Dane County Humane Society with our pet of the week, a little kitten named Jamie.
Mark, it's pretty interesting that we are still getting kittens in December,
Yeah.
but it has been a very busy season for us and cats, so I thought I'd bring this little rambunctious lady with me today that loves the wand toys.
Yeah, you might have to throw this in with the deal.
I think that could go as part of her adoption fee. But she was found stray in the town of Rio, and it was her mom, and another little sister, and the other two have been adopted, so she is now. Oh, now you're calm.
She's purring away.
She purrs so loud you can hear it. We could hear her through the cage when we were picking her out, but she's actually located at our West Side Adoption Center. Some people still don't know we have a West Side Center that's right over by Pier 1 Imports, right off of Mineral Point Road, D'Onofrio Drive. And so she is one of our many cats and critters that we have over there. And we had a goal to adopt out 650 cats this year, and we're about 50 cats away from that. So we want to try and reach that goal, give all these cats good homes for the holidays. And we've got a ton of kittens like Jamie and some great adult cats. Look at the camera, you little stinker face.
Jamie's a handful.
Jamie likes to play. Jamie's showing kitten personality.
That's right, and you have to know that when
you need to be ready to get up at 2 in the morning if she wants to play with her wand toy, but they also will crash and cuddle.
As she's doing right now.
That's the cute thing to have. You know, you see them grow up and you see them go through every stage. And that black and white look, I think, is always so cute. They're so unique and different.
Oh, okay, that's enough rest.
Yeah. Back to playing. Let's go, Mark.
All right, you got a big event coming up.
We do, and you know what? I was supposed to have a visitor joining me here. Well, wait a second.
It's Santa.
Santa, you're a little early. You flew all the way down
Well, how'd
here.
you like to be my little helper else today?
Oh my gosh. Well,
That'd be awesome.
Mark, that looks great.
That looks great.
There we go.
I'll put on
So what's
my
going on,
little ears
Santa?
too. Yeah,
Well, this weekend on Saturday, the 6th, from 9 to 12 at the Dog Hut, we're having a Take Your Pet's Picture with Santa Claus, which would be dogs, cats, guinea pigs.
And where's the dog hut?
The Dog Hut's in McFarland, so you can go there, and it's a $5 donation that helps all of the animals at the Humane Society. So it's a great way to go get your Christmas card, picture taken, your holiday card, and help the homeless animals. So he will be there
Santa will be there
9 a.m. till noon with bells on.
Oh,
to,
yes.
Get your picture with Santa.
Get your picture
Get your pet's picture with Santa.
All right.
Let's get Jamie adopted. And let's go for that goal of 50 more cats out of this year.
Merry Christmas, Santa.
Well, Merry Christmas.
Quickly, last week.
Last week's pet was Baby Ruth, and Baby Ruth did get adopted, so we're very happy for that.
All right.
Baby Ruth knew how to sit.
Yes, she did. She took commands.
Very interesting.
Get Jamie home. All right. Thanks, Gail. Thanks, Santa.
Thank you.
Go to GiveShelter.org for all the information you need. We'll be right back.